Hi. I'm just kidding. So, hi, my starlings, and I'm going to do another voiceover again, but this time is Ginger. Well, if you hate my voice, please fucking DNA. Bobette, is there something on my face? Your makeup? Huh? Well, no. I mean, I suppose that counts. I think you did a great job with it. Ah, thank you. Ginger, it's so lovely to have you around. Oh, yeah, thank you. Nice to see you as well. Thinking of making some of your sweet treats later? You'd be interested in some? Of course! That's why I'm asking, silly. Never mind. I don't want to ask. Your turning key on the back of your head. It's sort of moving. How does he? Yeah, it moves on its own, really. Spins when I'm really thinking on things. That's kind of neat, in a way. Yeah, guess it is. Brightney, I appreciate the help you offer when Christmas comes around. You know, with the lighting. Haha, no need to thank me. Really, I barely do anything when it comes to all those festive lights. But you do. Bobette tells me so. And I just wanted to let you know it's appreciated. Aw, well, thanks. Even if I still think it's not much on my end. Cool. Have you been helping well with the present? Bro. Mm-hmm. Bark. Such a strong rock. So helpful. That's how I speak Dogo language. Bro. Oh, nice seeing you as well, Cole. Woof. Easy, girl. I'll give you a treat later. Oh my God, so happy to see you! Hey, Ginger! I am happy to have you around. Yeah, don't get to see you to offend. Haha, right. I understand why I thought. Being a holiday tune and such. I'm so super jealous. I wish I have a cousin like this. So, you're from the winter season? Yeah, I heard you had a sister. Yeah, she isn't really a holiday tune. I understand the feeling. Right. Well, we should, focus. Yeah, focus. Oh, this is so good. Wait a damn minute. I'm recording! What the How many things can you fit in your head? Like a gazillion billion things. Really? Nah. But imagine if I could.
Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Right.
Naked grandma!
Naked, huh?
I don't want to see that either.
I heard from someone else that you love cookies. Yeah, I love cookies. Well, I baked some. Maybe you'd like to give them a try at some point. Oh, I don't know. I tried your cookies last year. They don't really taste like the cookies Cosmos make. Ah, I understand. But thank you for thinking of offering. That's really, really nice of you. How's your little investigation going? Oh, they on little investigation. I'm uncovering a big picture. Oh, yes. A plenty happens outside of the Christmas season when we see you lot most. Right. I suppose I just forget sometimes.
Oh, that's too bad, because there's a very big reward for those pearls. You're the ghost?
I was trying to scare you so we could get your popcorn.
Okay, I'm launched. That was easy.
Now you just have to laugh.
Huh?
Who's trespassing on me private ship?
You mean pirate ship, you lemon snatcher?
Feeling festive, my friend, is all I know. Oh, well, when you say it like that, it's a tad ominous. La la la, I love Christmas. Of course, but it's not really. It is the most festive time of the year. Right.
E aí, beleza, Brody? Como estão as coisas aí em cima?
Profissa, eu coloquei boias ao redor dos trilhos. Agora eu vou só ficar sentado, eu acho.
Entendo você. Eu também tô só sentado. Eu duvido que vamos ganhar uma insígnia ficando parados assim.
Eu também. Mas a gente pode ganhar nossas insígnias de ficar sentados.
Eu acho que não dão insígnias por ficar sentado sem fazer nada.
Sprout, how are you? Doing good. Happy to have you around, of course. Yeah, hope your baking has been well. I had some recipe to share. Oh yeah? Sound like a good time. You'll have to show me the recipe soon. Will do.
Pookie, I'm scared. There's a man outside my window. I need some ASMR to scare him away. Oh my goodness! Plus, we're gonna scratch your scalp. We're gonna scratch your scalp. I'm scratching your scalp. Bessie, I think we scared him away, but we gotta keep going with the ASMR. Feel the tingles on your scalp!
You know, sometimes binge your game show episodes. Huh? Seriously? Just the game show segments in the season? So much variety, so many outcomes with contestants. Glad to know you holiday tunes have things to keep you busy all year long. Right.